Are you stress eating again? Leave the extra calories alone, because we have prepared 6 soothing things of big size for you. Gigantic Mentos, a huge stress ball, or enormous Nutella. Watch and choose. A nail salon at home is always a nice idea. The girls are redoing their nails for the 3rd time, but apparently the cuticle decides to set up a boycott today. Let's forget about sad stuff and treat ourselves with something sweet. Or, let's better reduce stress with gigantic Mentos. Redhead offers me a whole set of stress-relieving candies. Print a Mentos label and attach it to an empty Pringles box. Cover the lid with pink acrylic paint. Now, let's make candies. Cover Orsby's balls with water. Let them bloat. Cut an empty plastic bottle. Pull a thick balloon on the neck of the bottle. Fill it with the Orsby's using the bottle as a funnel. Tie the balloon to make a knot when it is full of balls. And the first stress candy is ready. It's a very simple and quick way to make your mood better. You would never let this balloon out of your hands. Blow a balloon and twist it. And pull it onto a bottle with semolina carefully so that the balloon still has air inside. Turn over the bottle and move the semolina to the balloon. This pink stress baby feels very nice when you touch it. Time flies when you have it, and your stress flies away quickly too. Pour paper glue into a container. Add acrylic paint to it. Add a bit of liquid washing product, Persil color gel to the mixture, and mix it until the slime gets thick. Put the slime into the ball when it is ready and tie a knot. The process of making this toy is as pleasant as the result. A balloon and a slime is a match made in heaven. This stress ball is a must-have for emotional people. Fill one more balloon with silicone sealant. This building supply looks really interesting inside the balloon. When you touch it, it feels really soothing, just the same as its neighbors. Put plastic bullets into the last balloon using a funnel. And tie it up tightly. Say no to weapons with this stress ball, even if it's a toy weapon. Vicky gets bored with the plastic bullets quickly. But there are still so many tactile surprises in this big Mentos box. Orsby's balls or a soft slime? Choose whichever you want, just don't take the last stress reliever. Redhead's inner greed comes out into the open. She wants to be the queen of all the balloons. But Vicky is not ready for the property division. She likes this stress reliever too. But the balloon was the one who suffered the most in this quick quarrel. A new exercise to relieve stress is to pick up the Orsby's balls that have gone all over the room. Vicky has been getting ready for the whole day to welcome her friend. She baked delicious cookies. She only needs to add a final touch, powdered sugar. But she sneezes all of a sudden, and the whole sugar happens to be on her face. What kind of pastry makeup is that? Vicky is totally annoyed, and she starts chewing on candies. Redhead appears unexpectedly as usual. She's prepared an amazing stress-relieving XXL candies to calm her friend down. Take a clear garden hose and cut it into long tubes. Cover every tube with hot glue from one side. Add food colorings of different colors to the water. Fill a syringe with colored water and pour it into a tube. Fill the rest with vegetable oil. Crumble a pill of aspirin to get tiny pieces. Put a piece of the pill into water. Once the aspirin gets into the water, it creates bubbles. They lift up to the level of oil, and it has created the effect of a lava lamp. Hot glue the second end of the tube. Fill all the tubes this way. Make lava candies of different colors. Hot glue a piece of paper of appropriate size to make a cone for the package. Put the lava candies inside and hot glue the second end of the package. Print a label and wrap it with clear tape to make it thicker. Attach it to the package. There is a whole set of stress-relieving tubes inside the package. Turn them over and watch how colorful drops calm you down. Vicky becomes happier at once, and the cookies do not seem so bad now, and the day doesn't seem wasted now. To tell the truth, powdered sugar makes her face look aristocratic. Vicky chooses a great angle for a photo, but apparently someone had a lot to eat during the holidays. It's time to get my act